We reshot this video with the GoPro Hero 6 to show you how stabilized this new camera is. You'll notice how the camera is wiggling on the mount bracket, and we left some glare in the windshield this time so you can see the bike moving back and forth, yet the image is still very stable. Occasionally you see a little glitch, but it's pretty impressive. The video is shot at 2.7K resolution and 30 frames per second. You can shoot at 60 frames per second, but you can't use the stabilizer, so it's shot at 30 instead. In the next scene, we'll be accelerating very aggressively, and you can hear the sounds of the engine pretty clearly with the microphone that's built into the camera. Okay, now I'm going to horse around a little bit with the bike, weaving back and forth and leaning from side to side. And you'll be able to see how stable the camera really is. Of course, when you lean too far, eventually it's going to change the horizon, but it's very impressive and very nice to work with. If you want to completely keep the horizon level, you will have to use a gimbal. But for normal shooting and even video blogging, this camera is very, very impressive. I guess I like the word impressive. Anyway, thanks for watching.